Hi, my name is Mary, and I'm standing in my Adrianne model from Lauren Homes here in Cape Coral, Florida. I want to tell you that my experience with Lauren Homes was wonderful. Dealing with Fred and Lauren Price was absolutely amazing. I felt they were honest, communicative, and thorough in their process. I liked the fact that I got to pick the Adrianne floor plan, but I got to make it my style. They gave me the flexibility to put my imprint on this house and not just theirs. I just want to say it's been wonderful dealing with Lauren Homes, and I want to tell you I recommend them.